Hey guys, today I want to show you how to do a glitter cut crease look. I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer to carve up my eyebrows and make them look very sharp and precise. Then taking the Morphe 3502 palette, I use the shade Universal and apply it in my crease as a transition shade. Then I'm using the shades Orb and Tan to add in my crease to build up the color. Then I use the shades Flux and Contour to really define my crease. Then I use a clean brush to blend all the colors together. Then I use a small tapered brush and the shade Dust to define my crease and darken it up even more. Now I'm just putting the shade Muddy in my crease. Now I'm just cutting my crease with some concealer and a small eyeshadow brush. Then I set my cut crease with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. Now I'm taking some darker shades from the palette that I used in my crease and applying them on the outer corner to blend out the edges of the concealer so I don't have any harsh lines. And I'm just placing this Revlon glitter liner where I cut my crease. Now I'm applying the Fenty Beauty Primer. Then I put on my Fenty foundation, and I like to use this foundation in sections of my face because it dries very quickly. Now I'm using concealer to brighten up my face. And I'm setting all the concealer with this Wet n Wild contour palette. Then I'm using my Rimmel Stay Matte powder to set the rest of my face. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild contour palette again to contour my face and nose. Now I'm just bronzing up my skin with this NYC bronzer. I am now applying this Tarte blush to my face. Now I'm applying my favorite eyelashes. Now I'm taking some of the shades that I used in my crease and outer corner and applying them to the lower lash line to make the whole look fit together. Then I'm wetting my beauty blender with some Mario Badescu spray and patting it all over my face to try to avoid cakey makeup. Now I'm just highlighting my inner corners. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone with this Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. Then I'm spraying my face with the NYX Matte Finishing Spray to keep my face matte. Now I'm using this Fenty highlighter in the shades Mean Money and Hustla Baby. Then I'm applying the MAC Patent Polish Lip Pencil in the shade Clever to add a slight color to my lips. Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!